And what should be in here? Pi r or pi r square. Yes,
Pi r square.
right? Because we are talking about areas of pi r square. So this is 90 by 360 and pi and r square. 7 cancel. This is 4, and then we have 22. This is 11. So this is 77 by 8 centimeters square. This is okay, guys. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So please quickly note it down, and you guys have seen that we have reached the seventh question, the first batch. So let us go ahead, right? Let us try to go ahead with seventh question. Yeah, whenever you guys want me to scroll down, please.
Noted, sir. Can you scroll down?
And in this chapter, the practice is very important because there are numerous calculations. So yeah, we have to be very careful with this calculation.
Done, sir.
Then Tejasvi,
Done,
what
sir.
about so then let us quickly go to the next. Next question, third question. The length of the minute hand. So we have a clock and we have a minute hand, right? So we have this minute hand and this has a length, so that would be the radius, right? So this is 14 centimeter, and we have to find out the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes, right? This is 12, this is 3, this is 6, this is 9. So in 5 minutes, in 5 minutes, we have to figure out what is the angle it is, right? So this would be the area that is swept by this minute hand. So in 5 minutes, it is reaching here, right? So we have to find out this area, and to calculate this area, we have to find out this angle, right? This is 14 and this is 14. So we know that this is a minute hand, right? So this minute hand is rotating. So this is the minute hand. It is going in here. It is going in here. It is going in here. It is. So this is rotating like that. And then after some time, it is coming back to its original position. So in how many minutes it is coming back to its original position? Yes. So this minute hand is moving, right? right? And it makes a complete rotation in some minutes. In how many minutes it completes one rotation? You have your clock, right? So the minute hand is moving. So in 60 minutes, right? In 60 minutes, this minute hand makes a complete rotation, right, guys?
Yes, sir.
So, which means that in 60 minutes, this minute hand complete 360-degree angle, correct?
360.
So, which means that in 1 minute it will complete this much angle, and we have to find out five. So, this would be 360 by 60 into 5. This is 6, so this is 30 here. So now we have got this angle, right? Then we can calculate this area of the sector. So area of sector, this is theta by 360 and pi r square. This is 30 by 360 and pi and r was what? Right? This is 12. Then this is 7 theta. This is 6. This is 7, and then this is 3. This is 7 to the 1 by 20 centimeters square. So this is the area of this sector. Right. So any doubt in this question, guys?
No, sir.
Then please yeah, whenever you guys want me to scroll down, please.
Sir, can you scroll?
So I can scroll down.
Done, sir.
Yeah. What
Noted,
about
sir.
you? Yeah, so fourth question. So a chord of a circle of radius 10. So we have a chord and of radius 10 centimeters. So radius is also given. This is 10 centimeter and it subtends a right angle. So it subtends a right angle. This chord subtends a right angle at the center. So this is 90. And then find the area of the corresponding minor segment. So we have this minor segment, and then we have correspondingly major segment. Major sector. Right. So this is what we have to find. So we have to find out the minor segment, which is this one, and then we have to find out the major sector. So major sector is right. So first, we have to find out the minor segment. So what would be minor segment, guys? Yes.
Area of sector minus the triangle, minus the area of the triangle.
Yeah. So if we calculate sector area of the sector minus area of the triangle, right? So you guys, yeah, guys write it down. So area of minor sector, right? And then minus area of triangle. Okay, so we have to find out area of sector and triangle. So sector is theta by 360 and pi r square. So this is 90 by 360 pi and 10 into 10. So this is who is joined now? Amina is 8. Yes, hello Amina, assalamu alaikum. What are
Walaikum
you?
salam, sir. How are you, sir?
Yes, hello. How are you? How's your health? Everything okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so your voice is yeah, very heavy. So, are you well?
Yes, sir. A little bit.
Little bit well, which means that you are unwell. So a little bit well means that you are more of unwell, right? Is that correct, Abir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Tejasvi, am I correct? Yes, please take care of it, right? If the health is not that good, if you are unwell today, so you can skip that, right? Okay, so this would be how much? This is 2, this is 5, this is 5, this is 25 or 5. So let us keep it that way. And area of triangle. So Tejasvi, which formula we will use for area of triangle? This angle is already given 90. So which formula we will use? Yes, Tejasvi, where are you?
I'm here, sir.
Yes, so to calculate the area of triangle, which formula we will use? So we have three formula, right? One is general, the other one is herons, and the third one is triple. So which formula we'll use? We can use any one, right? Or we cannot use the second one because we use the form. But we can calculate it. So which one we will use?
General formula.
General formula, right? So if we choose this base, so height is right. So half and base height. And if we use the sine one, so that would be also correct. So sine that would be half 10 into 10 into sine of 90, right? Because we know this side, we know this side, and we know the angle between them. So half a b sine theta. So if we use this one, so that would also be correct. So whichever form. So this is 50. So then minus segment area is sector minus triangle, which is 20. 5 pi minus 50. So this is, we can take 25 common, so this is 5 minus 2. This is 25, and have they told us to use the value of 5? Yeah, so 3.1 will have to take. Minus 2, so this is 25 into 1.14. This is how much? 100, 25 ones are 25, 10, 35, and 25, and 20. So 28.5 centimeters. This is the area of the sector. And then we have to calculate the major sector, right? So what is the area of the major sector? We will not ask any question to Amira today, right? All the question would be directed to either Tejasvi or Amira. So what would be major sector, Tejasvi? Yes, major sector would be how much? Yes, Tejasvi, what would be major sector?
360 minus theta by 360 into
Oh,
pi r square.
so you don't talk today. You don't talk today because you are appearing to be. Yeah, good. So this is 360 minus 90 by 360 and pi, and r is 10. So this is 270 divided by 360 pi and 100. So this is 9 threes are 9 fours are and 25. So 75 pi, which is 75 into 3.14. So what? How much is that? So 20 and then 7 and then 15 and then 28 and then 9 and 21. So 5, 5, 3, 2. So this is how much? 5.5. So these would be the areas, right, guys? So please note it down, guys, and if you have any doubts, please ask. Please note it down, guys.
So when I'm calculating the area of the major segment, I'm getting the answer as
No,
285.5.
no. So we have to calculate major sector, right? Fourth one is major second one. We have to calculate this green one, not not this whole
Okay,
thing.
sir. Yes.
Yeah. So we have to calculate not this one. So not oh, so only the major sector we have to calculate. Yeah, and you guys will need practice in this chapter because we have laid the multiplication and addition. So practice a lot. This chapter needs practice. And whenever you guys want me to scroll down to that.
Noted, sir.
And I can do some mistakes in the multiplication, so you guys also check that. One, it's, thank you.
Done, sir.
Okay, done. Tejasvi and Amira, what about you guys? Done.
Done, sir.
And give me one. Yes,
Noted, sir. Sir, I had my exam today.
yes, sir. So what are you saying? Something, Amira.
Sir, I had my exam today
Oh, you,
of maths.
oh, you had the exam. Oh, and how did it go?
Some moderate.
Yes, it was a bad day.
No, sir, I can say it was moderate.
Oh, it was moderate. Good. Moderate. Right.
We got 4 questions,
Yeah.
and each was 3 mark except one
Yeah.
that was for 1 mark.
Only have to do the four questions, right?
Yes, sir.
Four question and how much time you were given?
Sir, exactly 20 minutes.
Oh, 20 minutes. And what was the chapter?
AP.
Maybe, yes. So that you really right. Was the question very tough or were they?
Sir, like the 2 questions I was it was very easy, and in the 2 I got confused.
Hmm, yeah. So that confusion we have to yeah, what right? So, okay, don't worry about that, and yeah, we can discuss that question tomorrow, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll discuss that question, and Abir and Tejas we will solve all this question. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
So your test also, right? And you guys have wanted to just memorize all those things of AP, and then we'll talk about this question. Okay, so the next question, fifth one. And in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, right? So radius of 21 centimeters and an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. So this arc, this is the arc, and this subtends an angle of 60. Okay. At the center, find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. So we have to, in this question, we have to calculate by drawing it. Very good. What we can do is that we can, in the first place, we can do the circle, right? We can draw the circle and okay, and then we can draw the arc. This is the arc, and it is making an angle of 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees, this is 21, this is 21. So we have to find out this area, which is minus segment, and then we have to find out this area, which is the major segment. Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
So first question to oh, in the first question we have to find out the length of the arc, right? So the length of the arc, what is this? What is the length of this arc? A and so we represent the arc by this notation. So if I draw some curve or arc above this AB, which means that I'm talking about this AB arc, right? This would be theta by 360, and we are talking about length, so this would be 2 pi r. So 60 by 360, and 2 pi is how much? 22 by 7 and 21. So this is 3, this is 7, this is cancelled, so this is 22 centimeters. So this length is 22 centimeters. Now we have to find out the area of this sector formed by the, where was I saying that major and minor segment? Yeah, so that question was 6. Yeah, and the second question we have to calculate the area of the sector formed by that arc. So we have to calculate, don't have to calculate this area, we have to calculate the area of the sector. We have to calculate the area of the sector. The minor and major segment was the sixth question. So area of sector, this is theta by 360 pi r square. So 60 by 360 and pi r square. So this is 6. This is 3. This is 2. This is 11. So this is 11 on the 11. 22. So 21 centimeters. This is area of sector, and in the last we have to find out the area of segment formed by the corresponding point. We have to find out this area. This area we have to find out. So what would be this area, Abir?
Area of major sector plus the area of the triangle.
No, no, area of this green one, green one, green one.
Area of sector minus
The-
area of
yeah.
triangle.
Yeah, so sector minus the triangle, right? So major sector plus, not, we are not calculating the major segment. So you are fixated with that major segment, right? In the previous question you also. So yeah, we have to calculate this area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. So we have to find out this green. Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so sector, area of sector we have already calculated, right? That is 234. So to calculate the area of triangle, what we will use? Area of triangle. We have this triangle. This is 60. This is 21. This is 21, right? So area of triangle would be how much?
Root 3 by 4 r square.
3 by 4 r square. So root 3 by 4 r square
Or
is
sir, we can take the trigonometric formula
yeah. So half 21 into
into 21 into sine 60.
right. So ultimately, what Amira is saying, we get that, but yeah. So this is half 21 into 21 into 3 by 2. So this is root 3 by 4 into square. Yeah, this is 21, 21 is 441 by 4. So this is the area of triangle. And what is, when we use that root 3 by 4 a square, Amira?
In an equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle. So then to use the root 3 by 4 a square, first we have to show that this is an equilateral triangle, right? So this angle, we already know that this is 60 degree. This angle is x, this angle is x. So total angle would be how much? So 2x is 120, so x is 60 degree. So this is 60, this is 60, which means that this is an equilateral triangle. So then we can say that this is a root 3 by 4 square. So that is why Amira was saying to use root 3 by 4 square, right? So this is 60, this is 60, this is 20. Yeah, so area of segment, that would be sector minus triangle, which is 331 minus this centimeter square. So this is the answer, guys. Any doubt in this question? Yes, guys, any doubt?
No, sir.
Please, yeah, please then note it down. Please note it down and then we'll do the next set of questions. So now I have got it. Yeah, whenever you guys want me to scroll down, please tell me.
Sir, can you scroll? Noted, sir.
Just we and Amira. Mira, what about you?
Noted, sir.
I guess again we will reach the seventh question as we did first. Okay, so the sixth one. Now we have this major segment of it. Now we have to calculate this major segment. So we have a chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeters. We have a chord of length 15 centimeter. Right. Let us. It is good to draw this circle. We have a chord of, so this radius is 15 centimeter, and this is the chord, and this angle is 60 degree again. So we know that this would be 60, this would be 60, and we have to find out the corresponding uh, minor and the corresponding major. So first, let us calculate the minor. Right? So minor segment, that would be how much? That would be this sector, right? So this sector and minus this triangle. So sector minus triangle. So what is the area of sector? Area of
Theta by 360 into pi r square.
yes, theta by 360 pi r square, which is theta is how much? 60 by 360 and pi r square. This is 6 and pi by 6 and 15 into. So this is 2 and this is 5. So 75 by 2 pi. This is the area of sector, and have they told us to use some values? No, they have not. Yeah, they have told us to use pi 3.14, root 3 1.7. So these values we have to use. Okay. So let us use these values. So 75 by 2 is how much? Let us we solve all these numbers in the last. So in area related to circle and surface area into volumes, we have to keep the calculation at last, right? So we'll solve this portion in the last. So area of triangle, that is how much? Root 3 by 4, 15 into 15, right? So this is 225 by 4 root 3. So then minor segment, this would be 75 by 2 pi minus 225 by 4. So we know that this is 15 into 15, right? So 75 we can take common. By 2 is also common. Pi minus this is 15 into 50. So this is 3 into 5 into 50. So this is 3 into 75. So if I take 75 common, this is 3.
3.
right? And then we have 3 by 2, right? So that is why we keep the calculation in the last, right? So we stretch the calculation at the last so that we don't have to multiply these terms, right? So 75 by 2 is 37.5. Pi is 3.14, 3 by 2. So 3 and root 3 is 1.73 by 2. This is 37.5, 3.14 minus 9, 21 and 21. Oh, so 21 and then 3 ones are 3 and 5. 5. So this is 37.5, 3.14 minus 2 and then zero point 0.5 and then 9 and 5. Right, so we can keep it at this point. This is 37.5 into. So remember, this chapter will have lengthy calculation. So guys will have to practice it. Okay, 10, 5, and then 0 0.5. So this is how much? Again, we can calculate it time, but in your exam, you won't be allowed to use the calculator, which means that you'll have to practice. So this is the minor segment, right? And how will we calculate Tejasvi? How will we calculate this? Oh, so major segment was Abir's. Yeah. So Abir, what would be this major segment? Now you tell. Because you were very keen on calculating this major segment. So
Sir, minor segment plus the area of the triangle. Area of the circle minus the minor sector.
minor sector. Again, think about it.
Minor segment.
Minor segment. Now you are absolutely right. So we have this total circle, right? And from this total circle, if we remove this green part, right? If we remove this green part, then we'll have this blue picture, right? So circle minus minus. Always look in the diagram, right? So then you get the answer. So major segment is circle minus minor segment. Circle is pi r square minus this we have calculated. So pi and r square. This is 225 into, you guys can see that we'll have lots of lengthy calculation, right? So if you have some question of area related to circle, and if that is given in the or, so then you choose the or one, right? Whichever you can answer, you know. So yeah, try that question. 706.5 minus this, which is 685.5. This is the answer. Any query, any doubt, everyone? Yes, guys, any question?
No, sir.
Yeah, so then
No, sir.
please note down this part. Right. So to reduce the effort of calculation, we keep the terms in the last, and in the last we solve all, right? So if I solve this question in here, I take the value of pi and then solve them, and then I solve this part, then it will take time. So if we take common and then do the calculation, then that Whenever you guys want me to scroll down, please.
Done, sir. Can you scroll? Done, sir.
Yes, done. Okay, so again, we'll stop at here, right? And you guys have this class assessment, right? So please log into the Learnivio account and yeah, please take that activities, right? So did you guys complete that? Yes. Did you guys note this down? Note down this part.
Yes, sir.
Seriously, seriously.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So then see you guys tomorrow, and please take that class. Okay. Yeah. Bye, guys, and see you guys.
Thank you, sir.